Smoking meat is a culinary art, and having the right smoker can make all the difference. In this comparison, we'll look at the top 5 best smokers available today, each offering unique features and exceptional performance to help you elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Number 5. The Pit Boss Pellet Grill. The Pit Boss Pellet Grill stands as a top choice for grill enthusiasts, offering a combination of precision, versatility, and wood-fired flavor. Designed with a sleek black alloy steel body, it provides 480 square inches of cooking space, making it perfect for hosting outdoor gatherings. With an innovative digital control system, this smoker allows you to adjust temperatures from 180°F to 500°F and achieve a sear temperature up to 1000°F for the perfect steak. Fueled by 100% natural hardwood pellets, it infuses your meals with rich, smoky flavors. The porcelain-coated cooking grids ensure even heat distribution, while the grill's user-friendly features, including automatic start and cool-down functions, make it easy to operate. Built for durability, the Pit Boss PB440F1 is backed by a 5-year warranty, ensuring it will be a reliable part of your grilling setup for years to come. Number 4. The Traeger Pro Series Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Traeger Pro Series 22 Pellet Grill brings wood-fired cooking to the forefront with its sleek design and high-end features. This grill offers 572 square inches of cooking space, allowing you to cook large meals for family and friends. Its 6-in-1 functionality covers grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and BBQing, giving you versatility in how you cook. The Digital Pro Controller ensures a consistent temperature within 15°F for precise results, while the dual meat probe ports let you monitor multiple meats at once. Porcelain-coated grates make for easy cleaning, and the powder-coated exterior is built to withstand the elements. With its all-terrain wheels, the Traeger Pro Series 22 is perfect for moving your cooking setup wherever the party goes, and its wood-fired flavor never disappoints. Number 3. The East OAK Electric Smoker. The East OAK 30 Electric Smoker is a perfect choice for those who want an electric smoker with advanced features. This model offers 725 square inches of cooking space spread across 4 removable chrome-plated racks, providing plenty of room for a variety of foods. It features a side wood chip loader for uninterrupted smoking, along with a reliable 800W heating element that ensures a consistent cook. The smoker supports temperatures between 100°F and 275°F, perfect for slow and low smoking. With a glass door and internal light, you can easily monitor the progress of your food. The intelligent control system and meat thermometer probe offer precision cooking, while its sturdy design ensures stability. The smoker also performs well in colder weather and is easy to clean, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a reliable and user-friendly option. Number 2. The Masterbuilt Analog Electric Smoker. Masterbuilt's 30-inch analog electric smoker is a great option for anyone seeking an easy-to-use smoker without compromising on flavor. This model offers 535 square inches of cooking space spread across 3 chrome-coated racks, providing enough room for a variety of meats and vegetables. The analog temperature control dial allows for a precise cooking temperature up to 275°F, and the built-in temperature gauge ensures optimal cooking conditions. A removable wood chip tray and water bowl provide customizable smoking and moisture options for juicy, flavorful results. Its compact design is perfect for smaller spaces, and the removable grease tray makes cleanup a breeze. Customers appreciate the simple setup and the flavorful, tender results it produces, making it a popular choice for beginners and seasoned smokers alike. Number 1. The Bighorn Outdoors Smoker. The Bighorn Outdoors 16 charcoal smoker delivers versatility and portability in one compact package. Weighing just 19 pounds, this smoker is perfect for smaller spaces and is ideal for grilling, smoking, and even using as a fire pit. Its multifunctional design allows you to adjust it for different cooking needs, and it includes 2 large cooking grates for grilling and crossbars for hanging meats. The adjustable air vents and porcelain enameled water pan help maintain the ideal smoke and moisture balance, infusing your food with rich flavors. Equipped with heat-resistant handles and a stable, reinforced leg structure, this smoker ensures safe and stable use. Its lightweight design and easy assembly make it a great choice for cooking on the go, while its affordability and quality offer excellent value. In conclusion, choosing the best smoker for your needs depends on your cooking preferences and space requirements. Whether you prefer the precision of an electric smoker, the flavor of a wood pellet grill, or the versatility of a charcoal model, each of these top 5 smokers offers something unique. Make sure to select one that matches your grilling style to enhance your outdoor cooking experience and elevate your smoky flavors to new heights.